Welcome to another quick tutorial. You guys remember the scene of Mafuta eating pizza? Check this out. So I got Mafuta here, so all I need to do is select her, remove the paint, so I can just keep the line work. Alright. So actually, just do that. Put it on the side. So all I need to do, I have her like for the pizza ready to eat. So I just need to jump in here and like duplicate, right? Duplicate a join. Come on. Duplicate a join. Alright. Take my pen. I don't know. I like size 10. It's not that much. Let's put it 25. Cool. Or 20. Right. We got the first frame here. We're just gonna make her eat a pizza. Should be pretty quick. So jump on this. You could reuse the same drawing you have, or if you're good with like redrawing, then cool. So put the onion skin on. Right there. And when someone eats, you can actually act it out, you know. That should be it. Remember when you're chewing something, like your nose drops a little bit, so I can pull the nose just a little bit, you know. And these guys, if I get rid of them, all this thing goes a little this side. You have the jaw like getting a little bigger. Right there. Remember with TOONBOOM, you can always like edit your line, your strokes. So that's makes life easier. So if I go in between frames, in between the first one and the second one, see the jaw is like dropping. So if you have enough time, just try and like bend everything down, just for the low exaggeration to make it smooth. But from here, then I think the jaw has to go down like this. You jump another 2 frames, you duplicate. Either you move your drawing or whatever. It's up to you. I like to redraw everything. So then there, I think I have to go like there. Alright. So the mouth is like changing a little bit of shape. I think this is a little too extreme. Let's put it back up there. Just from the look I'm seeing. Can bring it here, right? And again, like the jaw, like just change a little bit. I mix it up a little bit. So sometimes I edit the lines, some other time I just redraw the whole thing. So remember, when your mouth is going that lower, right? So this line here has to be kind of like straight, just to follow. So there. Can actually play this and see how it feels. Remember, this one will be like a 30-minute tutorial or something. There we go. So you can see like she's moving already. So let's go on the third one. It's just like a whole rotation. The mouth is like a whole circling. Right there. I like to, so there, so right. I can hear my friend is here. I can hear my friend from the background here. Is here to play some video games. So, right. So that's another frame. Let me play this and see how it feels. Kind of like this one jumps to me. It's not really the cheeks has to like kind of be a little straight. So from here then, you know it's gonna, you have to bump up this side now. If you're not too sure, you can feel it yourself, like try and act out, you know. I'll get rid of that. Just act it out, not too great. Cool. Okay. Right. Cool. Joël, j'arrive. Je suis en train de filmer quelque chose. Non, to beta. Yeah, sorry guys. I'm a big FIFA player, so I play a lot of FIFA. That's a friend of mine. Just came now. Had to play some games. So there. So we're at this frame. Let's play it again and see how it feels. Here we go. Here we go. Cool. Let's duplicate the frame again. Let's just start cheating now. Just move on this thing. And the jaw, like, just see how it feels, you know. And this, just imagine you have like your mouth full of food. So this thing has to kind of like, just to make it round, just to show like, there is more food on this side. So you're chewing on your right side. So get rid of this one and that. Cool. We'll fix it up later. I actually want this one to, as soon as I finish, like put on color into it. So that's how it feels now. Mama Mafuta is a big chick, so she can eat. Right. Doesn't feel natural. Sorry. Here we go. Cool. I think we're almost there. Pick another frame, get rid of those. Put your onion skin on. So what you do is your mouth has to go up there. So like right there. Right. Not too much lines yet. This guy has to change. Cool. Remember when your mouth goes up there when you're chewing, your nose kind of like give a little movement, you know? I actually miss it from here. Next keys are supposed to go down low like that. And follow up a little more. If it's too much, we're gonna remove it. We're almost there. And from here, we'll go back to the middle. I like to, it's always like a circle, right? So we have to go back to the first keys. So from here, then get rid of those. Put on onion skin on. Grab your pencil and right there. So we're like circling, right. That should do it. The jaw has to follow up a little bit. I like the jaw movement. I don't know. It just add something into the animation. If you don't put it, if you don't move the jaw a little bit, give it a movement, it just doesn't look appealing to me. So we'll play one more time and see how it feels. So here we go. So I think from now we're just missing 1 or 2 keys. So let's copy the first key right here and paste it to the end. So you can follow the onion skin if you go back and forth between those keys and the previous one. You see like the little gap. It's like this cheek is like it's too tense, you know. So what you need to do, create one more key here, bang, and cool. What you do is just like got your onion skin there. You're kind of like seeing what's happening there. So obviously the cheek, right? This baby will come like halfway. See, the next key is right here. So if this key is here, so just put it like, sorry, this real time, my camera is like above the screen. I look like I'm not even focusing on the camera. It looks kind of like funny, but anyway. So even here, you know, supposed to get rid of this. You know, the next key is where the green is, so let's kind of like go off like that. If your hand is not steady, you'd rather just put on a stroke and then go edit the line just to make it quicker, because sometimes you're gonna undo just to find the perfect line. It can take you sometimes. So let's try this. I don't know, I just like the nose movement, you know. So let's play it again. Let's play it. See, there's a pause there. Feels good. Looks like there's a pause. Because it's a circle, so yeah, I think this one will work. Here we go. That's about it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you're enjoying it. So cool. From now then we can go and just speed up and just give it a color. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.